We already learned units of measurements of an angle. For measurements of an angle, there are three systems. They are the sexagesimal system, the centesimal system, the radian or circular measures. Now we discuss about the one by one. The sexagesimal system, centesimal system, and the radian or circular measure. Okay, the first one is sexagesimal system or French system. The sexagesimal system, French system. In this system, units of measurements of an angle is degree. What is the units of measurements of an angle? Degree. The degree nothing but in this system, one complete rotation is divided into 360 equal parts. How many parts? These are 360 equal parts. Each part is called a degree. Each part is called a degree is denoted as 1 degree. It is the symbol of degree symbol, degree. It is the denoted as 1 degree means 1 power of degree. It is the degree symbol. Okay, in this system, one complete rotation is divided into 360 equal parts. Each part is called degree. It denoted as degree. Now we discuss about the minute. Minute is the minute. It decrease further. It decrease further. Further is further divided into 60 equal parts, and each part is called 1 minute. Each part is called 1 minute. Okay, in this degree further divided into 60 equal parts, and each part is called 1 minute. 1 minute we denoted as it is the minute symbol. 1 minute. 1 minute. A minute is further divided into 60 equal parts. In each part is called 1 second. 1 second. It is also denoted as 1 second. It is the second symbol. It is the 1 second we denoted as. Now for the note points, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 degrees. 1 by 60 degrees. Okay, thus simply we transpose to left side means 1 by 60. It is the 1 minute equal to 1 by 60 degrees. Next one is 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, or 1 second equal to 1 by 60 minutes. 1 by 60 minutes. Simply we transpose to other side means it is the divisible. That is the remaining 1. Okay, 1 minute 1 second equal to 1 by 60 minutes. Okay, in this system, in the sexagesimal system or English system, in this system, one right angle equal to 90 degrees. How many degrees? One right angle equal to 90 degrees. Okay, centesimal system or French system. Okay, centesimal system or French system. Okay, in this system, units of measurements of an angle is grade. Okay, units of measurements of an angle is grade. Okay, in sexagesimal system, units of measurements is degree. In the centesimal system, the system units of measurements of an angle is grade. Okay, grade. Now grade equal to, in this system, one complete rotation is divided into 400 equal parts. Okay, in this system, one complete rotation is divided into 400 equal parts. Each part is called a grade. It is also denoted as grade. It is the grade symbol G. 1 upon G means 1 grade. It is the denoted as 1 grade. Next one, minute. It is the minute is a grade is divided into 100 equal parts. It is the grade is divided into 100 equal parts, and each part is called a minute. It is denoted as 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, it is the minute second. A minute is divided into 100 equal parts, and each part is called minute. Okay, it is the minute second means a minute is divided into 100 equal parts, and each part is called a second. Each part is called as second. It is also denoted as 1 second. Okay, in this system, one grade equal to 100 minutes, or 1 minute equal to 1 by 100 grades. Okay, in 1 minute equal to 100 seconds, 1 minute equal to 100 seconds, or 1 second equal to 1 by 100 minutes. This is the simply transpose to left side means remaining 1. 1 second equal to 1 by 100 minutes. In this system, one right angle equal to 100 grades. In this system, one right angle equal to 100 grades. Thought we have used the same name, minutes or seconds, in both sexagesimal systems and decimal system. It can be easily observed that they are not the same. Okay. Third one is circular system or radians. Okay, circular system or radians. In this system, units of measurements of an angle is radian. Okay, in this system, the units of measurement, the angle sustained by arc of length equal to the radius of the circle at its center is called 1 radian. Denoted as 1 radian. It is the circle, the center, it is the center. Okay, the angle, it is the radius, 2 radius, the equal length of the 2 radius of the circle. Its center at its center is called 1 radian. Subtended by arc of length is equal to the radius of the circle at its center is called 1 radian. It is the denoted as radianism. Okay. Okay, relation between degrees and radians means the angle which is subtended by arc of length is 2r. 2r means 2 radius. At the center is 2 radians. The 2 radians. In this way, the circumference of the circle subtended by the center. Okay, what is the circumference of the circle total degree? One complete rotation is 360 equal parts. Okay, 360 degrees. An angle whose measure is 360. Okay, one complete circumference, the circumference of the circle is 360 degrees, and we get 2 radians equal to 360 degrees. Okay, it is the radians, it is the degree. 2 radians. Okay, 2 transpose to other side. 2 transpose to other side means, okay, one complete rotation is we know that 360 degrees. Now, and pi radians equal to 180. Pi radians equal to 180. That is one straight angle. Okay, one straight angle, how many degrees? 180 degrees. Okay, pi radians means 180 degrees. Okay, now it is the pi c by 2. We divide the both side 2 means, now it is the 2 1s are 2 9s are 90. Okay, pi radians by 2 equal to 90 degrees. That equal to one right angle. One right angle equal to 90 degrees. Pi by 2 radians means 90 degrees. In degrees, radius means pi by 2 radian. That is the relation between the radius and the degrees and radian. Approximate values of 1 radian and 1 degree. We know that already. It is the pi radians equal to 180 degrees. Also 180 degree equal to pi radians. Okay, 1 degree equal to 1 radian equal to 1 radian value equal to 180 by pi. Okay, if the pi transpose to other side means divisible, then 180 degree by pi. We know that what is the pi value? Pi equal to 3.151. It is the pi value, or pi value equal to 22 by 7. Pi value equal to or 22 by 7. Now it is also, now pi radian equal to, it is the approximate, we divide the approximately 180 by pi means it is the 7 into 22 by means the 57 degrees 17 minutes and 45 seconds. Okay, it is the 57 degrees 17 minutes and 45 seconds. Okay, approximate value, it is the approximate value. Okay, now it is also 180 equal to pi radians. Okay, we want degrees means it is the 180 transpose other side means pi radians divided by 180 degree. Now it is the pi value, we already know that. What is the pi value? 3.14 and so on. 1 degree equal to 0.01745 radians. Okay, what is the 1 degree value? 0.01745 radians. Okay, compulsory given one objective bit. It is the pi radians equal to 57 degrees 17 minutes and 45 seconds. Approximate value, not exact value. We get the approximate value. It is the